Pinapababa na naman ni Pangulong Donald Trump ang interest rates. Anya, nagpipigil ang Federal Reserve sa kabila ng matatag na pagsulong ng ekonomiya ng Estados Unidos. Si Anjo Milano para sa report.
Nais ni US President Donald Trump na bawasan ang interest rates para mapabilis ang pagsulong ng ekonomiya ng Estados Unidos. Ito ay sa kabila ng matatag na paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Naniniwala si Trump na kayang bumaba pa ang rates ng 8% hanggang 12% ang Gross Domestic Product o GDP kung luluwagan ang pananalapi.
Rates should be lowered. This country could be at 8%, 9%, 10%, 12% GDP. That's what it should be. We have other countries that are paying less interest rates, and if it wasn't for us, they wouldn't even exist. It's ridiculous, and they call them elite.
Pinuri ni Trump si Federal Reserve Governor Kevin Warsh, ngunit sinabing iniipit ng ibang miyembro ng Federal Reserve Board ang mga desisyon nito.
We fight our way through the race because we're doing so well, but no, he's got a board. You know, he wants to do the right thing. I know what he wants to do, but you need the consent of some people that have perhaps bad intentions.
Pinangatiwaran ni Trump na dapat US ang may pinakamababang interest rates sa buong mundo.
We have other countries, I don't want to really mention names of countries, but I could give you plenty, that they take money out of the U.S. and because of that, they get a lower interest rate than we do. And it shouldn't be that way. We should have the lowest interest rate in the world.
Gayunman, malayang nagtatakda ng rates ang Federal Reserve. Pinananatiling ang mga desisyon ng ahensya ay batay sa inflation at employment data, hindi sa panggigipit politika. Nananatiling issue ang interest rates sa harap ng pagtulak ng Trump administration sa mas mabilis na pagpapalawak ng ekonomiya.
I could take the money that these countries are making, put it into our portfolio, and we should have the lowest interest rate in the world, like it used to be 30 years ago. We always made the lowest rate.
Anjo Milano, Net25 Americas para sa mata ng Agla International. Trusted, connected, on point.